and I am I Love Natural Hair, aka Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I will be showing you how I make my pre-poo. So before I used another pre-poo, and it wasn't black owned, and now I want to try to support all black owned products. So in this video, I'm gonna be making my own pre-poo. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So for this video, you will need a bowl, a spoon, and the measuring cup. So this is all you need to make your aloe vera pre-poo, and also this. So this is 1/4 cup. This is what it looks like. So I use 2/4 cups. And this is the name of it. This is what it looks like. I just get it on Amazon. This is the ingredients. This. So guys, this is how I make my pre-poo. So I use 2/4 cups of organic aloe vera, and I add water, stir, so before I was using another pre-poo, but then I did my black owned hair products, what's black owned and what's not black owned, and I found out that the pre-poo that I was using is not black owned. So for now, I did order some, but I'm gonna be making my pre-poo until I got the one that I ordered in the mail, which is black owned. So this is what I'm gonna be doing, and this is how I make it. I did use it before, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be mixing it some more, and then I'll show you guys. So you have to make sure there's no lumps in it. It's really smooth, and right now it's really smooth. So this is what it looks like after I finish mixing it. So you could double if your hair is thicker than mine or longer, you could double the recipe. But for my hair, this is enough. If you want to add some essential oils to yours, you can. I'm just going to use it just like it is. And I'll come back and show you guys after I apply it how it looks in my hair. So I'll show you how I apply the pre-poo on my hair. So this is what it looks like. I know, don't say it. See, it looks like it feels very moisturizing. and I do it on wet. I do it on dry hair. I don't wet my hair because this is gonna add the moisture to it. And with the aloe itself, the real aloe, I think it's so strong for my hair. So it's like, I think I'm allergic to it. It really itches when it gets on my scalp. So I like to use the powder. The powder doesn't itch. Itches a little bit, but not as much as the normal aloe. Okay guys, so I'm finished putting it in my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. It's very moisturizing. See how elongated my hair? So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the back. Yeah, so this is what the back looks like. So I'm going to be sitting with it for about a half hour with a cap on my head, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to rinse it out and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm finished rinsing it out. So I'll be back. So I did sit for 30 minutes with this on my hair, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to be shampooing it, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So guys, I did not shampoo my hair yet. I did do the pre-poo. I just want you to see how my hair looks after the pre-poo. So this is how my hair is looking after I rinse out the pre-poo, which is the aloe vera powder. This is what it looks like. See you guys. So this is a good pre-poo, and I like it. See my hair? See my curls are popping? And I literally just washed it out, guys. And okay guys, so I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this pre-poo works for you. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.